Well. Let me see here. What do we have here?
Yep.
Boy? What, these? These right here? Oh, no. Y'all, you remember y'all said these is going to be available. Ain't nobody going after these. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember that? Like this right here? Y'all remember that? Y'all said nobody wants these. Hey, I just be trying to tell y'all, man, the Jordan 11, no Jordan 11 is safe. And when I seen certain places not getting these sneakers, I knew it. I was like, bro, this shoe is going to be hard to cop. But nonetheless, I'm going to give you guys a detailed review today on the last and final of the Rare Air Jordan collection. It's going to be these Air Jordan 11s. Hey, let's talk about how good these things are. Let go. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and if this is your first time tapping into the content, hey, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you guys. I do sneaker reviews, religious videos, spiritual videos, motivational videos. I just create content, bro, on the things that I love. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate you guys for tapping in on this review. Now, if you are a recurring subscriber, thank you guys so much for rocking with your boy. We are on our race to 40,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It is dwindling down. We are currently at 35, something like that, close 36. Hey, we can get there, man. Today, the sneaker that we're going to be unboxing is going to be the Air Jordan 11 Rare Air. And this is a sneaker that people were like, oh, you know what? I want, I don't want. I like, I don't like. 200,000 stock, 40,000 stock. It's just a bunch of different things when it came to this sneaker, man. But regardless, they did release it. So, and it sold out, man. It sold out. It didn't take long on the sneakers out. And also, when I went to JD Sports to cop these things, they had like 9 pair, and I was fortunate enough to be able to get a size 12. But let's start with this box. They give us a different type of box. It's not your pull-out Jumpman box and nothing like that, you know, the Jordan 11s, but you see the navy, you see the royal blue on the top with the white Jumpman logo. You got your size tag right here. You can go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair right there. And then you have, it lifts up and you have the red on there. And on the inside of the box is going to have the carbon fiber paper, and y'all see the quality control sticker right there. It's a lot number somewhere in there, but we ain't here for the box. So we're gonna toss this thing to the side. Now, taking a look at this sneaker, bro. As you guys can see right here, the Air Jordan 11 Rare Air, if you have the high cut patent leather, it's gonna be in that royal, almost navy blue. You got your red Jumpman logo on the back end of these things. You got the 23 on the back. The booty looking real nice and milky. You feel what I'm saying? On the inner side of the shoe, it's gonna be the exact same thing. I repeat, do not like this bottom. I hate that milky look on this outsole, but you do have the red in the blue pipe with the blue Jumpman logo right there. Red carbon fiber on there. The leather quality on the upper is really good, as you guys can see. Super tumbled leather. You have the Jordan roll in black on the laces, and I completely hate that, bro. I despise that about this sneaker, dude. I just feel like, to me, that Jordan on the sneaker makes them look fake. Like, I don't feel like that should be on a real Jordan, but that's what they did. Then a lot of people did hate the laces that came with these things. They're like a cream off sale colorway, like a dirty pissy colorway, and a lot of people dislike that. But for me, it's not that big of a deal breaker, because all you gotta do is switch the laces out. That is it. You have a black sock liner in there, and it does have Rare Air on the insole right there, man. All in all, super clean sneaker. Tumble leather on the tongue. You have the red Jumpman logo with the white on the back of that, just like it goes on all the other Jordan 11s, just different colorways. To me, this sneaker, this is going to be a right one. So here's the left one, as you guys can see right here. It's going to be the exact same thing. For me, in my opinion, I feel like this sneaker could have been executed better. They could have done things better. They could have made this a absolute no-brainer where people wanted to buy it. And that's going to be changing that outsole to like an icy blue. I feel like that would have done it. And then also just removing that Jordan written on the laces. I just feel like that is not a lot of people don't like that. I'm not the only one, but for me, I don't like that at all on the Jordans. But y'all comment down below and let me know, do y'all like this sneaker? Do you feel like that they could have done things differently? And if so, what do y'all feel like they could have done? And was this a must cop for you guys? For some people, this was an absolute must. As soon as I heard about this sneaker, they were like, oh, I gotta get it. But for me, again, this is not my pair. I was able to secure this for one of my homies. But this is definitely not a must cop for me. But I do understand the concept. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. How are you guys rocking with the Air Jordan 11 Rare Air? What do you think these things are going to do resale wise? I think these things are going to do some numbers, especially as we go into the holiday season. So if you missed out on them, this is gonna be a pair that people are gonna be like, you know what, I'll go ahead and pay a little extra money to grab. You know, maybe they'll do a couple of restocks and then I kind of alter that resale value. But that's all I got for y'all today. I appreciate y'all tapping in as always. Y'all know the saying is, man, rock with you like not what's hype. And remember everything we talk about, including these rare 11s, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit.